welcome back. So today I have decided that I will organize the under the sink area, which has been neglected by me for many months now. So today let's see how to organize this and what I'm going to do, the products that I'll be using. So as you all know, that the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to empty this cupboard and I will start with the decluttering. So let me first empty this out. Yes. So as you can see, I have cleaned the cupboard and we have emptied it, and I have done with the decluttering. Most of the time you don't realize that there are so many things in your house that you have not used for so many months, or sometimes you feel you find something that you were looking for, and then while decluttering you suddenly find that thing. So that's the reason decluttering is very important, because most of the time we always keep things that we really don't use or we really don't need. And I think we all should admit that sometimes we all make mistakes, like you should admit that you have done some wrong purchasing. Maybe the product that you got is not what you expected it to be, and then you just don't want to throw it away because of the guilt that now I have purchased this and now how can I just throw it, because the guilt of spending money is what bothers us. So what happens is we just keep it and then we don't realize that it is lying in your house. So that is why decluttering helps. So now I have decluttered, and now I am going to arrange the cupboard, and let's see what I do. Actually, I have decided that I am going to use this kind of boxes that I have. So I am choosing to use transparent because it is easy to see what is there inside, and so anyone in my house can just locate. They don't need to call me if they can't find anything. And if you can see, there is no shelf in the cupboard, so I'm using this multi rack which I already had there, so I'll be using the same one. So this is how I'm trying to organize the things like into categories, so it becomes easier to find. So these are all the pest controls things that usually needed in the house. So I have made one box for that, so everything related to this will be kept in this box, so it becomes easier to locate it. While decluttering, I found so many scrubbers. Actually, I don't think so. I use all this. I need all this often. But while decluttering, I found it, because most of the time, what happens is whenever I'm going for shopping, I just go and then I just pick up. Okay, I don't because I don't remember whether I have this in the house, and this is usually needed. So I feel कि okay. काम आने वाला है, so let me just pick it up, and so I do that. And then when my mother-in-law goes, she buys something, so now I have arranged it here, so now even she or me can know ki okay how many we have and do we need to refill it. So it becomes easier, and you don't waste money on just purchasing things. So this is how it looks after organizing. So I have used this magazine holder to keep all the brushes that I used for cleaning. This is where I have kept all the washing items. And this is the area where I have kept the items that are not regularly needed. So I have kept it here. So if you have liked this video, please do not forget to share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay organized.